Up here in the brush options is a thing called mode. Actually, we prefer them to be called blending modes because they dictate how your brush strokes will blend with strokes that have already been painted on your canvas. Let me give you an idea how this works. I'm going to paint with a color first. Now I'm going to change the blending mode of my brush. And as I paint with the same color, where the two brushes cross each other, it's blending now. In this case, it's darkening as the strokes interact with each other, because multiply is a darkening blend mode. All of these in this set are darkening blend modes. The next section of blending modes are lighten blend modes. They lighten things up as they interact. The next set increases the contrast. As we move on through the course, you'll be learning a lot about blending modes, not only because the paintbrush has them, but layers have blending modes as well.